The sign of Capricorn. So, what can you guys possibly expect moving forward? Okay, so yeah, let's start. In the past, there could have been a lot of confusion. Okay, I do see the Seven of Cups in the past and Six of Swords. So you guys were trying to get out of the confusion. You were trying to stay away from the confusion. Okay, top card we have right now is King of Wands. So many of you guys will be in your power this coming month. I see you being very open, or being in that position where you are not so bothered about the past anymore. Okay, I see you being more open to life now. Okay, with Seven of Pentacles, I do not honestly see you waiting for something from the past. You're majorly giving up on it. You're not going to invest any further. Okay, with Ace of Pentacles here, I do honestly feel that you are not very open for giving this person a second chance. It's in the reverse. Okay, so that's something I'm getting very strongly. So let's start. So one card for how is your person thinking about you currently? How is your person thinking about you currently? Capricorn soulmate. So right now with the Hanged Man, this person could be watching you from a distance, okay, but they are not taking action, okay. I feel in the past they were in and out. We have the Knight of Wands in the past, and Page of Cups. They will come forward, however, they are taking their time, okay. But I do feel that this person is watching you from a distance. If they haven't reached out, they are definitely watching you, okay. So what are they up to? One card for what are they up to? Capricorn Soulmate. What are they up to, Spirit? Right now with the Lovers card, I believe they had choices. Okay, they are in the past they were missing you, but they cannot walk away from you. Okay, even if they had choices, I very much see them not being able to let go of you. Okay, I still feel that they're going to hold on to you. Okay, with Justice card, I see this person wanting to return and come towards you. This person had a lot of ego issues, a very prideful person. Okay, so could be a possible Taurus for some of you, or for some of you this could be a Gemini. For some of you this could also be a Pisces. Okay. Also Leo present in the picture, also Libra present in the picture. So yeah, okay, so one card for how are they feeling for you currently. So what are their true feelings for you? One card for what are their true feelings for you? Capricorn, so what are their true feelings for you? Right now this person is holding back. Okay, with Two of Swords, I feel like there could have been someone else in the picture, and this person was confused as to what they truly feel for you. Okay, but I do feel with the Fool card that they will take that leap of faith towards you. As of now, I still see them in confusion. I wouldn't want to lie to you. I still see them having issues, and in the past they were very closed off, man. I mean, they were very closed off. Did not really say much, do much, never like really took the action you wanted them to take. Okay, so one card for what do they truly have for you? What do they truly have for you, Capricorn? What do they truly have for you? I definitely see them having choices. Okay, if you know that your person does not have choices, that this might not be your reading, but I definitely see your person having choices here. With King of Wands, they are definitely interested in you. Okay, that much I could guarantee you that they are very much interested. This could have started on a very sexual level, and then it kind of got intensified, and they did not know how to react, or how to possibly take the situation ahead. Okay, so they were very much in and out, but I see them having a lot of attraction towards you. Okay, and they're very much interested. Okay, one more card we have is King and Queen of Wands. So this could have started on a very sexual, based on a very sexual thing going on between the two of you, like attraction, or like very lusty. Okay, so yeah, give one more card for how do they view you as a person? How do they view you as a person? With the Ten of Cups, they do view you as someone who is family material, or possibly husband or wife material. Okay, In the past they were juggling, no doubt, but they do see you as someone who is like commitment person, like someone who they would want to be in commitment with. If they are not someone who likes commitment, or someone who does not really like to be in long term relationships, then they might not want to choose you. But if they want that commitment, if they want that long term success, they'll definitely want to choose you. Okay, so take what resonates with you. Okay, so how do they like view this connection that they share with you? How do they view this connection they share with you? They feel like you have given up, something happened in the past and you kind of got distant. Right now they feel like you have given up. You guys are not holding the connection together. I do not feel like both of you are holding the connection together. I feel like you have given up on them, and or at least they feel that you have given up on them. They do not see this connection balanced in any which way. They feel like they'll have to work on it. They also know that you are waiting for a commitment or a long-term success. You are not someone who's going to want to be in a fling or just friends with benefits kind of like a situation. They know that you want something strong with them. Okay. Excuse me. So one card for what are they wanting to offer you currently? What are they wanting to offer you, Capricorn soulmate? What are they wanting to offer Capricorn moving forward in the month of October? I see them wanting to offer you a soulmate relationship. Okay, I definitely feel that this person will make a decision of choosing you if they have choices, which I very much feel they have. I feel this person will message you soon. Okay, right now they are in this thinking process where they are wanting to take their time, but I do see them reaching out to you. Okay, so what are their intentions towards you currently? What are their intentions towards you, Capricorn soulmate? What are their intentions towards you? Intention is they want your attention. They very much want to be around you. They very much want to return back to your life. Okay, so I see that happening. They want to charge back in your life. Right now they might not be around you, but I very much see them coming back. Okay, in the past I see Six of Swords in the reverse, so it was very much one sided in the past. So it kind of got into a third party because I got a lot of option cards here, so this could have got messed up because of a third party. We'll check that out as well. So, what was the main blockage that was holding the two of you apart? What is the main blockage between Capricorn and their soulmate spirit? Ghosting. Your person ghosted you. Okay, you guys went in different directions. You chose a different direction, they chose a different direction, and things got messed up. Okay, I strongly feel that there was a third party involvement which led to this. Okay, where is this connection moving forward for the month of October, spirit? Where is this connection moving forward for the month of October now? Four of Wands. Many of you guys will be in a committed relationship by the end of the month. Okay, I strongly feel that you guys are right now a little restless, but trying to move ahead in life, trying to not really bother much, trying to give up on this whole situation and thing, but still stressed out. You're trying to balance your life out. You're wanting peace in your life, so you wouldn't want to mess with this drama going on. Okay, but I do feel your person wants you. Okay, so let's see messages from your person for Capricorn. Yes, I accept I can't express my feelings, but I do love you. Okay. Second message is, I'm not what I show. I've got loads of imperfections, fears, and insecurities. So this person might be someone who has issues with commitment, and they fear the whole thing going on. Okay. So yes, you give me hope. You give me you light that spark. Okay? You give me hope. You light that spark. So you have had a very positive influence on this person, and that person isn't really willing to give up on you. Okay. So one card we have for you is unconditional love. Love yourself, others, in every situation, no matter what the outward appearance may be. Okay. And second card is joy and delight. So I see a very happy month for you ahead. I do feel like you will get attention. If you do not want the past person, I also feel for many of you that you will come across someone new. Okay. With the temperance card here, this person could either be a Sagittarius or a water sign. Okay. Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, the new person, whoever you would meet in the coming months. Okay. Or coming weeks. Okay. So yes, this was your rating for the sign of Capricorn. So please do like the video if it resonates with you. If you want a personal a reading with me, you could reach out on my website or my email or my Instagram at Divine Soul Guidance, and I could get back to you. Thank you so much for coming in. Happy month of October. Cheers.